In today's top cryptocurrency news, April 06, 2023, in the first new, Euler team denies on-chain sleuth was a suspect in hack case. The investigator claimed to be targeted as a suspect because they maintained a crypto security repo on GitHub. In the second new, Trader Joe joins top 5 DEX list as Liquidity Book model thrives on Arbitrum. Joe token surges as Trader Joe's Liquidity Book model climbs into the top 5 DEX list. In the third new, what will be the outcome of the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade? Join us as we discuss the potential outcomes of the upcoming Ethereum Shanghai upgrade and other important developments in DeFi. In the fourth new, U.S. state regulators announced $10 million settlement with Robinhood for failing investors. The investigation looked into complaints of Robinhood's system outages that caused users to miss out on trades while many of its services were unavailable. In the fifth new, White House hopeful RFK Jr. says instant payments may lead to financial slavery. President John F. Kennedy's nephew also worries that the government will seize the public's Bitcoin. In the sixth new, $1.12 billion in Bitcoin options expire this week, and bulls appear to be at a disadvantage. Commodities rallied as the U.S. Treasury struggled with the banking crisis, but Bitcoin bulls also overplayed their hand in this week's options expiry. In the seventh new, Germany plans to issue electronic shares on blockchain, boosts startups. Under the Future Finance Act, the German government is pushing for more welcoming regulations for startups working with financial innovation. In the eighth new, Bitcoin faces headwinds as U.S. money supply drops most since 1950s. Research from Bloomberg Intelligence argues that liquidity conditions still do not favor a continuation of the Bitcoin rally. In the ninth new, Aragon and Polygon Labs collaborate to boost DAO accessibility. The collaboration is set to allow users to build decentralized autonomous organizations quickly and securely, for less than 50 cents, with no coding required. In the 10th new, Tether supply hits $80 billion for the first time since May 2022, stablecoin rivals stumble. The supply of USDT across cryptocurrency exchanges has dropped 28% in 2023, hinting at an overall decline in demand for stablecoins. In the 11th new, North Korea and criminals are using DeFi services for money laundering, U.S. Treasury. Despite the warnings on DeFi, the Treasury noted that most money laundering, terrorist financing, and proliferation financing occurred using fiat or outside the crypto ecosystem. In the 12th new, Avalanche introduces evergreen subnets to connect institutions on blockchain. Ava Labs has introduced its new evergreen subnets, aiming to help institutions improve control and intercompany communication on the blockchain. In the 13th new, 15 ways crypto companies can manage costs in the current economy. Balancing cost-cutting efforts with smart efficiency strategies can help crypto companies weather current macroeconomic conditions. In the 14th new, Islam and crypto, how digital assets can comply with Islamic financial law. A look at cryptocurrencies' role in the world of Islamic banking and finance. In the 15th new, crypto security audits and bug bounties are broken, here's how to fix them. Are crypto auditing incentives designed to make the client happy rather than deliver bad news? What happens if you don't pay out bug bounties? In the 16th new, Japan pushes for friendlier environment for crypto with Web3 proposals. Japan's Web3 project team released a white paper suggesting ways to expand the country's crypto industry to establish a welcoming atmosphere for crypto. In the 17th new, 9 examples of artificial intelligence in finance. Discover how artificial intelligence is transforming the financial sector with 9 examples of AI in finance. In the 18th new, Charles Hoskinson, Cardano delays due to betting on wrong tech, ambitious roadmap. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is optimistic about the future of crypto despite the setbacks, and anticipates a high rate of Cardano adoption in Africa this year. In the 19th new, Sentiment recovers $870,000 after negotiations with hacker. The hacker returned 414 Ether in one initial transaction, and 51.75 ETH in another, returning 90% of the stolen funds. In the 20th new, Chinese state insurance firm launches 2 crypto funds in Hong Kong, report. the Chinese government-backed CPIC Investment Management is launching 2 crypto funds related to blockchain investment and staking. In the 21st new, FTX philanthropic donations have created a complex dilemma for recipients. University-affiliated research initiatives received more than $13 million in grants from the FTX Future Fund, with several students getting $100,000 in grants. In the 22nd new, Nigerian crypto foreign investment is at a record low. Study. Foreign direct investment in Nigeria fell by 33% last year due to a severe shortage of dollars, which discouraged crypto companies from expanding into the country. In the 23rd new, Bitcoin barely holds $28,000 as bulls see new rejection at key resistance. A fresh BTC price charge on liquidity around $30,000 ends in a return to a familiar Bitcoin trading range. In the 24th new, Reddit deploys Gen 3 NFT avatar contracts on Polygon. Community members responded to the new development, with some praising Reddit's marketing efforts and changing the anti-NFT narrative within the platform. In the 25th new, crypto trading versus crypto investing, key differences explained. Crypto trading and investing are often intertwined, but key differences remain between the two methods. In the 26th new, Binance Australia derivatives license cancelled by securities regulator. In February, Binance Australia derivatives abruptly closed certain derivatives positions and accounts, citing investor classification compliance. In the 27th new, Singapore to introduce uniform screening standards for crypto bank accounts. Potential guidelines reportedly won't have a binding force over banks, which can rely on their own risk assessment. In the 28th new, Jane Street, Tower Research and Radix are Binance VIP clients in CFTC suit, report. The firms were cited anonymously in the CFTC's complaint describing Binance's alleged facilitation of U.S. clients. In the 29th new, bear markets are for filming, the Bitcoin Film Festival in Warsaw. Lights, Camera, Bitcoin, a Bitcoin film festival in Poland brought the Bitcoin revolution to the big screen. In the 30th new, names of non-US FTX users demanded by mainstream media outlets. A number of mainstream media outlets are pushing to publicize the personal details of FTX's non-United States customers, similar to what happened with Celsius. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.